And yes, it's William with another review. You want to stay till the end of this one. So if you're going to watch this review, stay to the end of this one because there's going to be a little extra surprise at this video on this review. So we're going to do an unboxing first, okay? Now, what can I tell you about it? It's a wireless, portable car stereo, Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay type deal, okay? So basically what I'm thinking is, let's say you have a vehicle, it's an older vehicle and it doesn't have Apple CarPlay, okay? Now the reason I had them send this to me is because it's really not going to help us right now with our situation because our vehicles have all this stuff. But before we got into this lifestyle, I had a car that I was using for deliveries all the time that didn't have Apple CarPlay, and I used it for work because I didn't want to wear out my other vehicle, and I love the vehicle for that. But I wish I'd have had Apple CarPlay. So this system here makes it so you can put it into your vehicle, plug it all in, hook your phone to it, and you've got Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay in your older vehicle, okay? That's what I wanted to talk about on this because I'm going to unbox it. We're going to see what's in here. I have not looked at it. I don't know anything about it. I did a little research online. There's not a whole lot out there, but there are people using it and like it. So I think it's pretty cool that way. But I have no idea what's in this box, so we're going to start there. Just remember, they don't pay us for this review. They just give us this product. But I got a surprise at the end of this video, so hold on till the end. So let's get this thing unboxed. Okay. Not my house, so someone else can clean that up. Oh. Alright, we got a lot going on in this box. So, don't forget to scan and register for your lifetime warranty. Is that what it says? Your lifetime warranty, yeah, okay. Oh, here's the display. Let's take it out of the box there. Very big display. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's got a camera too. So it's got, this is really cool. So this is Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay, but you got a dash cam that's recording everything in front of the vehicle. So that'll help you if you get in an accident or somebody hit, something pulls out in front of you. So it's got that extra thing too. So I have no idea what we're getting into on this one. This one's totally new. It came in just recently. You all know our life is super busy and we're on the go all the time and people are always reaching out with these products, and I like to give them all a try now just because there's so many things that I don't know about that are out there. This thing has a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so let's see what we got. So you can mount it to your windshield and mount it all that way, so that's pretty cool. Packed real nice. Looks like all your cords, so it has it for every different phone pretty much out there to hook in there. Let's see what we got. Your 12-volt plug-in, some kind of something there. Oh, okay, so if you want to plug, if you have an older car where you don't have Bluetooth or anything like that, and it just has that little input plug-in, you can plug it in that way. So even the older cars, it will give you a CarPlay into that one too. So this is more the mount. I have a camera mounted in my truck that I use to watch the back of me, or I use it for my RV when I'm towing my RV. It's got the sticky tape, and this is probably the one I would use on it. That just mounts on your dash. That hooks on there like that, and you got it right there where you need to see everything. Would be awesome, right? That'd be awesome. So, oh wow. It looks like it has a backup camera too. Or you could use it just for pretty much anything. It has another camera, so you could wire this camera. So you could have a front camera, a rear camera, Apple CarPlay. So if you're putting this in your older vehicle or your older RV, okay, you got an older RV, one of those drive type ones, you could put this thing in there. You could have CarPlay. Now I know why they sent it to us, because we're an RV channel. This would be awesome for a person that's got an older drive RV. You can put this in there. You got your Apple CarPlay or your Android CarPlay now. You've got a dash cam to watch the front of it. You got a back camera to go in the back so that you can watch when you're backing that thing up. Or van life, work great for van life. This is pretty awesome. This has more to it than I even thought it did. Another Gives you an extra 12-volt plug-in, maybe to hook all other accessories or something like that up in there. I don't really know, that's extra. It gives you another windshield mount. I mean, it has a lot of stuff here. This thing sells for like $139 on Amazon. Robin will put everything in the link below if you're looking to buy one of these. You get a lot here for your money. I'm impressed because I have a backup camera that's mounted into my truck right now that I use when I'm hooking my fifth wheel plate up and everything. I can back up and watch it. My truck has 7 cameras, but I got it now where I can actually view stuff that my truck does not let me view. Plus, I pop the camera off magnetic and I stick it behind my RV so I can do that way. And I paid, and that's all that does. And that thing was as much as this cost. So this here, you're getting all that, plus you're getting your Apple Carplay and everything, and a dash cam. So it's got a dash cam, it's got a rear camera, and it's got the whole display for Apple CarPlay. Pretty awesome deal. Pretty awesome deal. For the price, you get a lot here. It's boxed nice. Everything looks really good. Just like I remember, you know, the company sent this out to us for free. They wanted us to demo it, and I'm going to demo it a little bit over the next day or two, play with it and stuff like that, plug it in and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to do the unboxing and show everything what you get here. Okay, Rob will have a link below for you to actually purchase it. But if you've made it this far through the video, this is something we've never done before. I don't really have a use for this. All of our vehicles right now all have Apple CarPlay, Android, all that stuff. I already have backup cameras and all that stuff. But I'm going to play with this, and just so I know when people email me, because people email me about these products all the time and ask questions about them, I'm going to actually be able to answer their questions. But I like what I see. I think you get a lot here for the price. So remember, I think it's $139 on Amazon. Robin will put everything in the description and all that stuff below. But we're going to do something different here. What we're going to do different on this is I don't really have a use for this product right now. Except showing you about it, because I think there's lots of people out there that come across these reviews or come across our channel and they don't have Apple CarPlay. They'd like to use it on their phone. It's so much nicer. I mean, if you've never used it before, and you can click and you can watch your maps on this big screen. Look at how big this screen is. Okay, a lot of times you're going out and spending $100 just to get this camera for your insurance company, because your insurance company wants you to know if you have this, and it might save you in an accident to have that. So you're already getting that camera. Then you're getting the Apple display to use with your phone, so you can have all the maps right on your phone, right there, all your music, all your stuff that you like to do, right there too with that big screen. Because if you're in an older vehicle, you probably don't have nothing even close to that. It's probably got something this big. So that's awesome. Gives you all the mounts and everything. Then you can hook up the backup camera so you can watch everything behind. All that stuff is here for one price, $139. So you definitely want to look into that. I think you get a lot for your money. But what I'm going to do in this video, anybody that's made it this far and actually watched the video, because these reviews don't get as many views as all our other videos do, and I understand people think you're just trying to sell them something, but just remember, we don't make no money out of this. If you don't buy it, it doesn't matter. I still got this product for free, but I have to do the video because that's the agreement I make with them. But some of this stuff I want you to know about, because I've had old RVs. I remember my old RV. I wish I'd have had this set up for this price. Would have been so easy. But what I'm going to do, anybody that's made it through this video right now that emails us, if you email us at theriverstonelife@gmail.com, you send us an email, we might get one email. If we get one email, you're going to get this. I will ship it to you, free of charge to you. I will pay the shipping. But if we get a lot of people asking to get this product for free, we will just take all the names, put them in a drawing. Robin will draw it out, and whichever one she picks out is the person that's going to receive it for free. So somebody will get this product for free. One thing on this channel is about the people that follow us, the people that email us, the connections we've made. And a lot of this stuff, if I'm not using it from now on, when I do the reviews, when I'm done with the review, I'm going to give it to somebody out there that actually contacts us on it. So if you're interested in getting this, just remember, there's only one. It's not going to cost you anything. All you got to do is email and say, you know what, William or Robin, whichever one of you want to talk to, I would like that. So could you enter my name? And you might be the only person, because, you know, we're not that big of a channel. We get bigger every day, but we're a small channel. So one person might email and end up with this. So I'm going to play with it a little bit more, so it will be unpackaged a little bit. I'll package it back up the best I can. I'll put it all back in the box, and I'll go down there and I'll probably just ship it through the UPS, or now probably just the mail service, whichever one's the most reasonable priority mail, and I'll ship it to you. But if we get a lot of people entering in this little giveaway, then you know, we'll just draw the name out, and that's who will end up with it. But if we only get one email, you're going to end up with it. So you could be the one person that emails us on this. But you know, I want to do things a little bit different in these reviews, because we get a lot of stuff that me and Robin just don't need or don't use, or we use it for a little bit and then it just gets put in the corner. There might be somebody out there that really needs that product. So I'm going to start doing that in a lot of these reviews now. At the end of it, you're going to want to watch the whole review, because at the end of it, it might be giving it away to somebody. So just remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to try to win this, email us at theriverstonelife@gmail.com. If you like me and Robin, subscribe to the channel, and